Okay, so for today I'm doing science for kindergarten, and the learning objectives are students learn about the various items you are able to find outdoors and gain some knowledge about what they are, where they come from, and other things. So for example, if we go outside and we take what we call a nature walk, just around the school, the students or teams, or we set up in teams, they can go around, take pictures of insects or leaves or pine cones, anything that they find outside that they find intriguing and that what they want to write about, talk about to the rest of the class. They will also be able to draw or take pictures of their findings. This will allow the students to be able to recognize different objects that are outside. This can even help with knowing what is safe and what is dangerous to be around and or touch. We can even do, maybe part of the preparation is introduce them to different plants that are okay to touch or that are not okay to touch. So maybe something, it's okay to touch the leaves off a tree and it's not okay to touch, the poison ivy plant. I'm sure it's not going to be around school, but just to give them a heads up. What the students will be doing. So the students will get into teams of 2 or 3 people and take a nature walk around the school. The students will look for various things that grow naturally or what they find. They can even find insects. They will use their tablets or iPads, whatever the school provides them, and they will take pictures of their findings. There is a few apps that I use in my classroom. One of them is called Tree Hugger, and another one is called Insect ID. All you do is the students will have the iPad on the camera mode, and they will take a picture of what they find. So if they find a leaf, they'll take a picture of the leaf, and then they'll go into the app and upload the picture, and then the app will tell them what it is, where it comes from, and everything else like that. The activity. Once the students have at least 5 to 10 findings on their iPad or tablet, then we will go back inside to review what they want to learn about the most, or what they learned the most about. The apps they will be using can be Insect ID or Tree Hugger. Please know that these apps are age appropriate for kindergarten. Then the students will draw their findings and prepare to present their findings to the class and what they learned about it. So once they have all their pictures, they will come back inside, draw, talk about what they found, what they want to draw. They will draw it on a piece of paper, and then we will put together a slide share for them if they want, or they can just show us their pictures and present what they found. The assessment of the activity. The students will be given questions regarding the usage of the iPads and tablets. What do they find on the nature walk? Back to the first question, did they like the tablets? Was it useful? Was it hard to use? Did they like it? Or would they much rather just, collect their findings, take it inside, use the computer to see what their background is, or just draw pictures on it? Was the iPad tablet useful, or was it hard during your findings? Did you learn anything, and if so, what? So that would just be present. They would present that to the class, what they found, what they learned about, where it comes from, how it grows, is it natural or is it man-made? And last, do they have any questions about the assignment? Summarize. The learning objectives will be achieved by letting the students become aware of their outside surroundings. They will be learning all the different things that you can find outside in the school playground. You can even incorporate what you can find at your house or when your parents take you to the park. It will also help the students gain knowledge of technology and how it can help them. And that is it.